Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to blur the background of an image in Photoshop. I'm using this image to show you the whole process. First, I made a copy of the original layer so that I can work non-destructively. Now I turned off the visibility of the background layer and selected the duplicate layer. Then I clicked on the Object Selection tool. I selected the subject using the Object Selection tool and set the mode to Lasso for more precise control while drawing around the subject. After making the initial selection, I refined it using the Quick Selection tool to clean up the edges and make sure everything looked smooth. Once the selection was good, I clicked on the Layer Mask button to isolate the subject from the background. Now for the blur. I selected the background layer and went to Filter, then Blur, and chose Gaussian Blur. I adjusted the blur amount until the background looked soft and professional, while keeping the subject nice and sharp. And that's it. Super quick and easy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips. Thanks for watching.